Well, good evening, folks. We're live at 9:25, and we're running a 5-winner mini for Abel's Polish Fett. I got 26 spots here. Then I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our 5 winners. Paste them in there. 26 spots. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5, which I did. I got a 10. So we're battling. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Joe takes round 1 and round 2. Nick takes round 3 with number 22. Joe again on top in round 4. Steve round 5. Spencer takes round 6 with number 8. Nick takes round 7. Joe takes round 8 with number 11. Joe again on top, this time with number 14, bringing us to the ever-important final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our top 5 are Joe, Spencer, Steve, and Joe. Congratulations, guys. Let's make it official. DSGZHW. There's our winners and all of our results. I am done at 9:26. As you can see, 9:26. One last time. Here's our winners. Congratulations, guys. See you next time. Thank you.